It is pollen season and we are camping, and we are in a primitive site, so we have no electricity or water. But we have our solar panels and our batteries, and of course we filled our freshwater tank before we got to the campground. And so we are wondering if the big thick yellow dust on our solar panel is decreasing our ability to gain solar, which one would assume it would. So my husband is up on the roof and he is dusting off the solar panel. And to get there, he is standing on the back of our truck. So we are at 85% of our battery, and yesterday and stuff we went up to about 93, I believe. So we're hoping today is full sun. There's not a cloud in the sky today. So we are hoping that by dusting this off, we might get up a little bit past 93 and it's clean. So stay tuned.